morning, everybody. Look who it is. Yeah, I get my turn at the weirdo table looking here, huh? You know, I know Carl does this. He really enjoys it. He gets to wear really nice shirts. I only have a VCDI shirt. I should have pinned the candy corn on me or something, but you know, I didn't. It's the way it is. You just get me in my uniform shirt. And this phone here with the weird guy, Beelzebub, you know, I thought, you know, do you guys know anything about him or what it is? I thought I'd let you know. That's why you will know when he calls why he has such attitude problem. He's part of the seven deadly sins. You know, it's a thing. You got to look it up. But I'm going to let you know why he's so cranky all the time, you know. And I don't know why Carl has an invite for him. I think I would have picked somebody better, but it is Carl. So, a 7 deadly sin. The first one, pride. It's good to have pride, you know, be confident in oneself, but I think he's got a little bit too much that we really don't want to have. That one went really far and it landed in the chair. Oh, it's going to be a good day. Here we go. Number 2, greed. Greed. I want everything and anything, and you can't have any of it. Greedy little thing. I think that's what he wants and that's what he has, so let's not have his kind of greed. Oh, it slipped off. I'm 1 for 1 now. Wrath. You know, I remember my grandmother saying that. Wait till your grandfather, you're going to have the wrath of him. And I used to think, ooh, it was a bad thing. It is. It's rage and going cuckoo crazy because maybe I would have done something that deserved wrath. Not me. Envy. You want to envy what others have. Not in a good way. You know, I could envy that, or I could like that. But this one that calls on the phone, he envies everything. And not in a good way, folks. Not at all. Oh, behind, ooh, I hit that guy over there. All of these, I'm only 1 in the chair. Oh, well. Lust. I lusting. I want your power. I want your money. I lust over all of those things. That is definitely him. See, now I really don't know why in the world Carl hooked up with this dude. I don't know. Yeah, you know what? I have 3 of them in one same pile though. So I think that's, you know, that's pretty good. Okay, gluttony. Gluttony. I was a glutton the other day. I ate a whole bag of chips. I don't know. Zach was talking about how he ate a bag driving from point A to point B the other day, and I'm with him. Give me something I really like and I can have a lot of gluttony. Do not put a gallon of ice cream in front of me and a bag of chips. It's all over with. That's overconsumption, folks, and I can do it. I know that one is it for him too. This one I don't know about. A sloth. You know, a sloth to me is slow. Have you ever seen a sloth hanging from a tree? They move really slow with these claws, and they're, I don't know, maybe it's a distant cousin of his, and that's just, you know, why he gets number 7. It is number 7 on the list. So next time this phone rings and he wants to talk to somebody, think about his 7 deadly sins. And really, do we want any of them? I don't think so. But that's my kind of headlines. Give you a little information that's necessary, unnecessary, whatever it is, you got it. And I did say it's the 14th. So we're almost halfway until Halloween, huh? Y'all got your costumes out there ready? I have half of mine. I better get the other half made, otherwise I can't come to work. Nobody wants to see somebody except Donald Duck that doesn't wear pants, right? So I got to get the pants made, or the skirt, or whatever else it is that the bottom part's supposed to be. But anyway, I'm getting off topic, but I do that really well. So let's move on to the weather. See what the weather's going to be like out there.
Hey everyone, and welcome to the Monday morning routine. Today, nice and sunny, clear skies and all. So today, things are finally going to start cooling down because this week it's going to be in the 70s and 80s. Thank goodness it's happening.
wow, it is getting much nicer now. We might be able to put the windows up at night and the air off. I think so. I'm very looking forward to that. Advice from the crypt keeper? I don't know if I want any of his advice, but let's see what he's got.
It is I, the crypt keeper, here with some good advice. Or bad advice, depends on who you ask. So, here is my good thought or my good advice for you. Okay, it is a thought and advice. You know, crypt keepers get really confused down here in this dungeon. So dusty. Where is Kimberlina? Oh, I don't know. All right. So, do not bury your problems because they may come back to haunt you. You should always face problems head on. You know, communicate, talk. You know, there's this pesky werewolf who kept peeing on my tulips. You know, instead of, letting him do it, I talked to him and said, hey, go to the next graveyard over and do that. So you should always face your problems head on. Do not bury them. When you bury them, they do come back to haunt you, and they get a little worse. So you don't want to do that. Maybe you like the pain. Maybe you like it to be bad. I don't know. I'm not you. Thank goodness. You guys are fools. So, I am the crypt keeper. That is my advice.
Yeah, there was his advice. I don't know if I'd want to use that, but have we wanted to use any of his advice yet? Probably not, but he likes to hear himself talk, so we'll let him do it. It's just the way it is, folks. What is this? Meme?
Yeah.
I almost thought it was Carl Glyphics writing, but no, it's Alana Glyphics. So we're gonna go on to the meme.
Oh, hey, Isaiah, how you doing?
Doing good.
I was practicing my growls, or my howls, I should say. My werewolf sensei says I need to work on this so I can eventually become an actual scary werewolf. All right, what we got? What we got today?
Let's see. Here's my next meme of the week. And I found one that is related to werewolf sack, but instead of werewolf,
What?
a Arctic wolf.
This is one of my relatives?
Uh-huh.
Oh, geez, not my cousin Eddie.
He's terrifying.
It's what?
Terrifying.
Oh, yeah, cousin Eddie is terrifying. Oh, my goodness. Oh, wait, that's not cousin Eddie. When you realize that you saw cousin Jimmy, Crystal from Sing 2, and you found out that he's crazy and a psychotic freak, and you thought he looks really scary too.
Oh, I can do whatever I want.
Yeah, cousin Jimmy. Cousin Jimmy, he's scary. And he's kind of a crazy freak too. That's pretty good, because cousin Jimmy, yeah, we haven't seen cousin Jimmy in a long time. How'd you get that photo?
Oh, it wasn't that hard. It was pretty
No?
easy. But if you all remember him from Sing 2, be careful, because he has a real scary killer personality.
Oh, yeah, he's got a great cousin. Okay, well.
And especially protecting his daughter, Portia Crystal.
Oh.
If make her sad, beware for her father, because he'll get you. You've been warned. Bye.
Oh.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Right? Thanks for that, Isaiah. A quote? Does somebody have a quote? Does somebody, oh, a question. Somebody has a question out there. What is the question? Oh, you're going to tell us. Okay, go for it.
Ever had a Halloween prank on you?
Yes.
Yeah? What was it?
No, what happened was I was on a prank. Some guy got me candy, and he got me candy bar that was melted in my bag, and he ruined up my Halloween candy.
Wow. Got a Halloween prank on you?
Yeah,
Yeah, what happened?
Brian Baker did it.
Blaine Baker did it?
I did it. So I got him the candy bar, and I got him the melted candy bar.
He gave me a candy ball out here.
It was melted.
Steve, you can't say that. Have you ever had a Halloween prank on you?
I haven't.
You haven't? Have you ever done it onto someone though?
Nope.
Nope.
Because I don't want to get in trouble or I don't want to go to jail.
Ooh, that's a good one. Anybody out there had a good one on them? I'm trying to think. I can't think of one. Lana, you had one? A good Halloween prank on you? Yeah, me neither. I pulled some on other people, but nobody's done one on me. I probably shouldn't have said that aloud, huh? Nobody get any ideas out there. None of you. Oh, well, you know, it happens.
The best I've gotten was just Janiyah coming around the corner and scaring me.
Yeah, Janiah's good for that. You guys do know you have to watch her. Then it doesn't have to be Halloween either.
That's true.
She just loves to do that. Yeah, I can't think of, I pranked my kids. You name it, I've done it. I don't think, and I don't think it was meant to be, but Deadwood got me a couple weeks ago. But I bet all of you have been scared and punked out by old Deadwood out there. Yeah, so, yeah, I can't think of anything. So I guess we'll just have to move on though. I'm not gonna sit here and rack my brain forever. We're gonna go on to the A. You know, it's 3 letters. A, L. How do you do an S? I don't know. A-S. Well, you know what? I could barely see Alana because we got new lights, but boy, they're blinding me. Wow, you guys. I don't know. She could do sign language across there, and I don't think I can barely see her as it is, but let's go to that one.
And the word of the day is vampire. So 2 fingers and then curve it like this, so it's like ping, and then you just put it on your neck. I want to turn into a vampire.
Ooh, that's a good one. Oh, do you do sounds with it too? Vampire. I am picking these up because you know what? My grandkids are younger, and in their daycare and stuff like that, they've been learning stuff. So the other day I asked them, you know, if they wanted to ride on a motorcycle and have a hot dog, and motorcycle one they didn't get, but the hot dog one they got, you know. And so my grandson said, "Gigi, you know I don't like hot dogs." Well, I was very proud of myself. I knew that one, so. Oh well, but I like this one. Okay. We'll use that one the rest of the Halloweeny time. Okay. DYK.
Did you know?
Did you know? Oh, it's not like do it yourself. It's did you know? Okay. I didn't know. But now we're gonna know.
Did you know the largest Halloween parade in the US, 15,000 people that participated, and has over 2 million spectators? It's in New York City.
Holy cow, I would have never thought New York has the biggest Halloween parade. I thought it would have been St. Patrick's Day. You know, they all want to come out for that one. Can you imagine that many people in New York City and you know they're all dressed up? Oh no, that's like going to, no, I can't even imagine that one. I wonder what the crime rate is on that night with all those wackadoodles dressed up, milling around the streets. I think it would be really, really weird. I bet this guy right here, Mr. Telephone, Bielza, there's lots of them running around that night. I think I'd stay inside, only give out candy. I don't need to go to that parade. Now, the St. Patrick's Day parade would be interesting to watch intoxicated people falling all over the place. Oh, these people are drunk on candy. And then if they fall, they drop the candy and then you get to swoop it up. Oh, that might be a parade I could go to. I could get all, you know, but I eat the candy that nobody wants anyway, so they probably throw all the Almond Joys out in the mounds. You know, nobody wants the coconut candy, and I'll take all the coconut candy.
I'll take those too.
Oh, so see, we've got to go to New York, and we're gonna go eat all of the coconut candy. Yes.
Yeah, let's go plan it.
All right.
Trip.
Let's plan a trip. Let's get the phone out and let's get ourselves a flight. If we take a red eye, we can get there, scope out our place, and be ready.
Oh yeah.
All right. You know where I'll be on Halloween. I don't need to make the rest of my costume. I'm gonna go get candy in New York. All right, guys. Well, thanks for having me for the day. This guy didn't bug too much because I told on him. So have a great day, and whoever you see in this seat tomorrow is who you see. Peace out.